Welcome. If you're looking to open supported links from the Instagram app directly in your browser on PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram now lets you choose your preferred browser for opening links, making your browsing experience smoother and more flexible. Here's how you can enable this feature in just a few quick steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on your main feed or profile page. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots. This icon opens up more options and settings for your account. From the menu that appears, select App Info. This will take you to the detailed settings page for the Instagram app. Once you're in App Info, scroll down and find the Settings section. Click to enter the Settings menu. Inside the settings, look for the option labeled Opening Supported Links. This setting controls how links from Instagram are handled when you click on them. Now choose the option Open in Chrome browser. If you prefer a different browser installed on your PC, you might see that as an option too, but Chrome is the most commonly supported. After selecting your browser, your changes will be saved automatically. From now on, whenever you tap on a supported link in Instagram, it will open directly in your chosen browser instead of the in-app viewer. This update is especially helpful if you want full browser functionality, like using extensions, saving bookmarks, or simply having a more familiar browsing experience. No more limitations from the Instagram in-app browser. Just a seamless transition to your preferred web browser. That's all it takes. In just a few steps, you've set Instagram to open links in your browser of choice, making it easier to interact with content, shop, or read articles without any extra hassle. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for optimizing your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Instagram browsing.